Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your PSN name on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Profile. In Profile Settings, select Online ID. Read the information displayed here, and then click Accept if you want to continue. You can now enter your new desired username, or choose from some random suggestions. The first time you change your PSN online ID, it will be free, but every time you change it after that, it will cost $10. Click Confirm to save your new name. Your PSN name has now been changed on your PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.